Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to do the House of Memories red silhouette TikTok trend. Let's get started. So firstly, you'll need to load your video clip into CapCut, typically 6.6 to 6.9 seconds long. Then take a screenshot of the part you want to change. Now open PicsArt and add the screenshot, after which you need to cut off the excess parts. Now go to Effects, then Colors, and select DTN1, after which you need to adjust it to multiply, then select Apply. Now once that is completed, you should click on Effects once more, then Colors, and select Black and White, then tap on Multiply and adjust the amount, then select Apply. Now at this point, you're required to add your accessories, so you need to click on Stickers, then search for the accessories you want. So for the first addition, I'll be selecting wings for the female, after which I would need to adjust the size and colors. So in order to change the color, you need to click on Effects, then Colors, and select DTN1 and then Multiply. After which I'd need to select Effects again, then Colors and Black and White. Also, you need to adjust the amount, then tap on Multiply. So once the female wings are added, you need to select Stickers and search for wings that are suitable for a male. And once you've found the wings that you want to use, you need to adjust the size and color. And for the color, it's the same as before. Select Effects, then Colors, then DNT1, tap on Multiply and Apply, after which you need to select Effects once more, then Colors, then Black and White, adjust the amount and select Multiply, then Apply. So for any other accessories that you might want to add, such as an halo, crown, gown, swords, you'd pretty much take this same approach by adjusting the size and color, and after which you could add some text to the image if you want. So now once you're satisfied, you need to save the image and then add it to the video clip that is in CapCut. And you could simply add a transition of your preference, add the music, then adjust the resolution and frame rate, after which you need to export. So that's pretty much how you go about doing the House of Memories red silhouette TikTok trend. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.